So guys, here you see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3008 by the name of find the beautiful indices in the given array 2. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and today's question is based on two examples, which is in these two examples there are the explanation also, which I also explained you both of the example explanation. And so let's try to solve today's question, and today's question is totally based on 7 topics: two pointers, string, binary search, rolling hash, string matching, hash function, and weekly contest 380. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question. So anyways, let's start to solve today's question in Python 3, and this is a hard one question which we are solving. So let's move to the computer screen, and without taking any long time so let's move to the computer screen. Let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, here you can see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3008 by the name of find the beautiful indices in the given array 2. Like I have told you into my introduction, we are solving this question. So let's start. It is given me an 0 indexed by the name of string s and a string a and a string b and an integer k. And index I is beautiful if 0 less than equals to I less than equal to s dot length minus a dot length. Number 2, first of all let me give him the black color. Number 2, s square bracket I dot I plus a dot length minus 1, then rounded brackets close and then square bracket close and then equals to a. There exists an index j such that 0 less than equals to j less than equals to s dot length minus b dot length, then s, then square bracket j dot then rounded bracket j plus b dot length minus 1, and then the rounded bracket has been closed and then square bracket has been also be closed, then equals to b. One more one, last not least, lj minus IL and then less than equals to k. Okay. What is the task in today's solving question? Our task is we want to return the array that contains beautiful indices in sorted order from smallest to largest. Okay. So let's see the example 1, then we'll move on to the example 2. But first of all, let's see the example 1. So example 1 is a one string by the name of s. Okay. It is a one string in which we write I saw a squirrel near my squirrel house, oh my. Okay, this type of thing we have written in our string, and then here he created one a string also in which he wrote in down my, and there is a one more string by the name of b in which we wrote in our squirrel, and one more string we have created by the name of integer. Now here I created one integer by the name of k in which I write 15. So the output has been coming in the square bracket in the array format. The output has been coming 16 and 33. Why? Because there are the two beautiful indices 16, 33. The index 16 is beautiful as a 16.7 equals to my, and there exists an index 4 with s dot 11 equals to squirrel and 16 minus 4 less than equals to 15. Number 2, the index 33 is beautiful as s square bracket 33.34 my, and there exists an index 18 with s 18.25 equals to squirrel and 33 a minus 18 less than equals to 15. Thus we return 1633 as a result. If you view out the second example, here he created a one string s in which he wrote in a b c d, and a string a in which he wrote in down a, and a string b in which he wrote in on a, and here one integer by name of k in which he wrote in on 4, and the output has been coming 0 in string form in array format. Why? Because there is a one beautiful index 0, and the index 0 is beautiful as a 0 equals to a. There exists an index 0 with s 0 equals to a and 10 0 slash less than equals to 4. Thus we return 0 as the result. Okay, so there are the constraints also mentioned here. So let's try to solve this question in Python 3. So let's start. So first of all, what we're gonna do now here, the hard one question which we are solving, and this there is also one hint also be included, so we do not view it, and 7 topics are included in today's question. But anyways, let's start to solve today's question. So first of all, what we're gonna do now, we define here class solution, in which we define def find occurrences self comma s comma b and then semicolon. Indices, index equals to s dot find and then p. While index and then equals to -1 and then indices one more time dot append, then index, then enter, then index equals to s dot find and then p comma b comma index plus 1, and then we define here return indices. Okay, and return indices. Perfect. So now here we define one more def, in which we define beautiful indices self comma s comma a comma b comma and then k, and then let's do like this. Now first equals to self dot find occurrences s comma a, and then second equals to self dot find occurrences, in which we define s comma b, s comma b. Perfect. And now here we define ans equals to like this, for I in range, in which we define length, in which we define first, for j in range and length and then second. Enter. If second j and then like this -1. If apps first I minus second j less than equals to k. Perfect. Now when we written down these all the code, so now what we gonna do now, here we define ans dot append first I break, here we define statement, break statement and return the ans. Okay, now we have written our all the codes properly. So let's see the running code now. So when I run this code, so my running code has been accepted or not. So it is giving me an error here, indices is not defined, indices. Now let's run. Now it has been accepted. The indices spelling is incorrect, so that's why it is giving me an error. So now the indices spelling is now correct, so that's now it is not giving me any error. So let's submit this code. So let's see the submission code. The submission code has been, it is giving me an error. So let's see what is in our error in our code. So let's do him up. Okay, do him up, upper section like this. Okay, so let me do him in the comment. Now it is not commenting, why? Okay, let me do him in hashtag. So let's see the running code now. The running code has been accepted, so let's see the submission code now. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code has been accepted or not. Let's view it. So it has been given me a time limit exceed. So let's see what is an error. So let's come on it here, let's back and let's come on it here. Let's see some things like this. Let's read about question. You are given an index 0 string s. Okay, it has given me an index 0 string s So here what we gonna do now, in the last here we define string s should be 0. So let's see the submission code now. So now it has been accepted and I beat 35.27% people. Let's post this solution. So I have posted this solution. So I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we solve our question number 3008 by the name find the beautiful indices in the given array 2. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of new tutorials. And if you enjoy these type of videos, so please tell me in my comment section below, so I will be upload more videos for you. Okay, in one day I upload 2 videos for you if you tell me in the comment section below. But anyways, let's meet in the next video. In today's video we solve a hard one question. So anyways, let's meet in the next video amazing video. So for today, goodbye.